Adom Waterfalls. Very beautiful and safe for everyone.
Kwaminat TV, promoting African businesses home and abroad. Kwaminat TV, the best and the full way to sell your brand to the world. Kwaminat.
You're welcome to Kwaminat TV. Today I'm here at Adom Waterfalls. Adom Waterfalls, just close to Accra, but it's a place that a lot of people don't know where it is. This is a place that when you come here, you see it. I don't want to say much, just look around and see. We came to Adom Waterfall unprepared. I don't even know how the place look. I was just there this Sunday, then I said, no, let me go to Adom Waterfall. I had them before, so let me go there. So normally we organized to come with some guys. No one was ready today, so I decided to come with my friend and the other one, with a queer together. And
You ready? Emery's Beats. Most of these talents are heading, most of these businesses we don't see. The best pictures are heading, I just say share.
So guys, before we go anywhere, we have to let someone explain exactly what is here for us. And I'm here with the CEO of the friends. Charlie, we are lucky. You see just the CEO of the guide to take us, of the Adom Waterfall, to take us around. So that's fantastic. We met him at the town. What is the place? Obosumase, yeah, Obosumase. Yeah, Obosumase Kwapim. So we met him there, and he guided us to this place. He was coming here, we were lucky. So he's going to show us. He's the CEO and he's the main guy. He's going to show us what is happening here, and why people are not hyping Adom Waterfall. It's just close to Accra. It's just about. I left home like 45 minutes. I was here. I live in Kwaminat though, but it's still close with all this traffic. So guys, let's go and see. The CEO take us around and tell us what happened here in Adom Waterfall. Charlie, you go your own camp. So we go go on. Keep watching. Okay,
But
boy, bye.
The lower is the main one. And then there's a lot of fatigue because 90 steps downwards to the water.
Ooh.
There's a steps, man-made steps, 90 to the water.
To the water. Let's check that place here. So we're going to the lower one. There's lower and upper. But basically, this one is also an exercise because if you're going to walk on 90 steps down before we come up, so we're going down there. Yeah, so we are going down there. I remember this remind me of when we went to Kwa, and they said there's the rocks. We are going down the rocks. We went down the mountain. If you look at Kwa, where they do the life guide, then the paraguide. The paraguide, there's that hill and the rocks. We went all the way down. The guy said, oh, it's 30 minutes walk. When we walked down there, coming up again was not easy. Anyway, this guy he said 90 steps. This one we have steps. That one we don't have steps. So, hey, 90 steps. It's an exercise, and I love it. Someone don't like to walk. This one, you walk.
This one, yeah.
Charlie, and you use you. This one we should have bring our sportswear, and you can hear the water just
And that's a young one, Charlie, and I'm going to drop him on the one. Mr. Rahul.
Yo, this is what we are talking about. This is natural waterfall, and it says about 45-minute drive from Accra. It's not a hidden place. It's not a hidden place at all. Let's look at it. This is original. And look at it. It's amazing. I mean, you can come here, you can just drive from Accra to this place for only 45 minutes. People are not talking about it. This is what we have in Ghana. This is what we have in Ghana. This is hidden waterfall. And this is a small one. Around this area, there's a lot of waterfalls. But this is a very close one to Accra. From Accra here, when you get to Eburi, you are there already. Eburi, I was going to say, it's one town. I would say it's one town, but because you don't see the difference. That time, for you to drive all the way to different places. If you live in Accra, come here, come and chill. As I said, Kwaminat TV is giving you the best of the best 2022. Come here. Wow. Wow. Today is just a surprise one. This is just a small one that will come. And this is one of the these two areas now. Here is the lower area. We have the upper area. So from here we are going to the upper area. Keep watching Kwaminat TV, like, subscribe, and share. I'm still the youngest football. Go, we're going to the other side. Come on, let's go. whole plan for myself. 5 minutes, I'm here. That's it. For all my life, just last week. Let's call the other one. Wait. And I'm a cocoa. Yeah, a call. Mountain, did you say, very deep. That I have force to me. Yeah, I'm in Papa.
Yeah.
This one for yeah, unfortunately.
We are going. We do it.
So we're done with the first 90 steps. So basically 90 down, 90 up, 180 steps. We are going.
That we are quite bad number. That will be.
So this is the new construction. It's on construction. They are doing it. It's not done yet. So when they finish, we will go all the way around to where we were, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are now heading to the upper waterfall, Adom Waterfall in Obosumase Equiapem. Still with the CEO. Still with the CEO.
Most of these talents are heading, most of these businesses we don't see. The best pictures are heading, I just say share. Yeah. Most of these talents are heading, most of these businesses we don't see. Kwaminat TV, no need to worry, baby. No need to worry, baby. Go like and subscribe to Kwaminat TV. Both in African businesses, home and abroad. Kwaminat TV, the best and the full way to sell your brand to the world. Kwaminat TV, both in African businesses, home and abroad. Kwaminat TV, everything is free, you just need to hit the team up. Kwaminat TV, both in African businesses, home and abroad. Kwaminat.
This is very nice, beautiful. So this one drops and go to where we were.
Yeah.
This is the upper one. So beautiful. Look at it. Look at this. It's so beautiful. This is the upper waterfall. The upper waterfall. Natural one. Beautiful. Beautiful. I said, you know, Adum Waterfall, this is natural one. This is beautiful. So beautiful. When you look at it here, so beautiful. Guys, come and enjoy yourself here. It's not too far. It's good, and it's at the same time, it's an exercise. When you walk down to the lower one, you have 90 steps in, 90 steps out, which is 180 steps. And when you come down to the upper one, it's not too far. It's just about 3 minutes walk down the hill. You know, beautiful, beautiful, so beautiful. This one drives to the first one that we went. You know, keep watching Kwaminat TV. I'm still the youngest old boy, showing you around Ghana and Africa together. Yeah, I mean, guys, when you come here too, there's a place to enjoy. Look at this, you know. Although no one is pushing me, but it's so nice. It's so nice. Oh, Charlie, be me. Be back up. Oh, can oh, I drop be me and try you for patching you. Come and push me out the back, please. My office holding me by and I was home there. Yo, so I'm having fun now, you know. And before you know, to me having fun. That's why I say I'm the youngest old boy. Yeah. That's it. See? So when you come here, after walking your 180 steps and a little down walk to the upper one, you sit down here and chill, relax. You see? Relax. You see? Relax. So guys, come here. It's nice. And if you say you want to camp here as well, if you want to camp here, the CEO will give you the rundown that they have places here you can camp. Bring your tent, mount it here, and camp. You can stay here 3 days, 4 days. It's a cool place. And I guess those people also, church members that do fasting, this is a place that you can also camp.
We've been coming here a lot.
They say they've been coming here a lot. That's what the CEO is saying.
Baptizing.
And for baptism.
Yeah.
And if you want to come and fast, this is a cool place. You can meditate very, very well. Even fast 40 days, just like the way Jesus did, because Jesus did it on the mountain. Here is a mountain. Keep watching Kwaminat TV. So,
yeah, I'm the CEO of the place, Adum Waterfalls. Very beautiful and safe for everyone. If you want to camp here, you have a lot of space that you can camp. I have more guys who guide you. Even if you will spend a month here, I have some people who guide you here. You have a generator to give you power if you want lights. You have a motorbike. If you will buy something in the town, they will go and bring it to you anytime you want to buy something. So everything is cool here. Very nice place. Come and experience.
And it's about just 10 minutes drive from here to the. It's not even 10 minutes. Well, when we were walking down, it's about 10 minutes. But yeah, we drove and parked our car and we walk about 10 minutes. It's very nice. The 10 minutes is just nowadays. They are constructing the road. So when they finish the road, you don't need to walk 10 minutes. You just come down, you park your car, then you walk to the waterfall. The only place you walk is the steps up and down. 90 down, 90 up, 180 steps. And when you come here and you are here for, 3 or 4 days, make sure you walk down there every day 2 times. It's good for you. It's good for your health. Coming to Adum Waterfall and also get energy or maintain your health is also very important. Keep watching Kwaminat TV. I love you guys. See you. You never say your name. Your name?
My name is Opare.
Opare?
Or you can call me Hawk.
Hawk.
The bodybuilder.
See you. See his muscles. See. You see? Hawk the bodybuilder. when you come here. And it has guys also to guide you. It's safe here. It looks like a forest, but it's safe. Very safe. Look at this. Look around. Green. Green. And you can hear the water sound. Peaceful. We love it.